Please tell me you hear how quiet that is. Because as someone who really struggles with her allergies, I mean, this time of year is really rough on me because I feel like I'm staying inside more often. I'm not opening the windows, the air's not circulating, so the dust is just building up. I needed something to kind of help counteract that because I am struggling already. Somebody commented on here about how I sound when I breathe the other day, and I was like, well, gee, I wish I could fix that. My friends over at Blue Date decided to send me one of their air purifiers, and more than anything, it's making me feel pretty good about myself because that little green light being lit up all the time means the air quality is chef's kiss. If you want to grab one for yourself, I'm going to put them in the orange cart because they're running a great deal right now.